The Zalman T6 ATX case offers an impressive air circulation system with its optimized cooling design featuring a pre-installed 120mm fan and the capacity to accommodate up to 4 fans in total. Constructed from high-strength steel sheets, this case is not only durable but also resistant to corrosion thanks to its black powder coating. With its versatile internal layout, the Zalman T6 can easily accommodate ATX, mATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, making it suitable for various PC builds, whether for gaming or office use. The case provides ample storage options, including two 2.5-inch and two 3.5 or 2.5-inch drive bays, along with an external bay for a 5.25-inch drive. Convenient connectivity is ensured with its front panel I/O ports, which include one USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, and both audio in and out. It's important to note that while the Zalman T6 is a versatile and sturdy case, it may not be compatible with ATX motherboards that have side-facing SATA ports.